If you're an investor or a trader, are you really happy with your portfolio's return, or do you need to trade more profitably? Do you want to ensure that you will avoid extensive losses and painful drawdowns? Do you want to finally find the key to trade the market with confidence and get bigger profits? Most of all, do you want a reliable income and get rid of your money concerns? If your answer is yes, you may consider this chart that illustrates the weekly price of the S&P 500. Now, this is what the raw chart looks like, the chart that is available to any viewer. It doesn't exactly tell you what's going on and what to do with it, right? Now, this is what our model generates. Very clear trigger points suggesting the opening and/or closing of new trades. At any given day, you exactly know what the right positions are, if you should buy or sell, open a new trade, or close an existing one. Bottom line, you have a very powerful tool in your hands that will generate serious additional income for your portfolio. If you want to know more about this, click the link on this ad or below, fill in your primary email address, and click the button that says subscribe here. And you'll immediately receive a totally risk-free trial subscription to Outrageous Profits, the unique real-time market analysis service that empowers individual investors with the knowledge and time-tested techniques of the top Wall Street professionals. We do it all for you. We take all the complicated stuff that's involved with investing in the stock market, things like understanding the trend in all major markets and positioning ourselves to profit from those trends, continuously scanning thousands of equities to choose the right investment vehicle, defining entry and exit points, sensible capital allocations, stock selection, option expiration selection, running the math. We do all this and make it simple to understand and implement. We turn it into easily actionable steps, so it takes a ridiculously small amount of time and effort on your part to take action and profit handsomely. If you are interested to see the details of this life-changing approach, click the link on this ad or below, fill in your primary email address, and click the button that says Get Free Access. And you will immediately receive a totally risk-free subscription to Outrageous Profits, the unique real-time market analysis service that empowers individual investors with the knowledge and time-tested techniques of the top Wall Street professionals. Hi again, my name is Paul De Caro with Outrageous Profits, and I have another question for you. When you put your money in a new investment, are you certain that you will be profitable? Unfortunately, for the majority of investors, the answer is no. At the beginning of my investing career, I too had the rather common and very disturbing experience of watching an account nearly go to zero. So I decided to do something about it. See, my education is in science. I have one of those degrees involving the most complex physics and mathematics. So, to solve this problem, I studied the ins and outs of stock analysis and market analysis, theory and applications of fundamental analysis and technical analysis, the effect of geopolitics and the macro views, the Nobel Prize-worth mathematical models that drive equity pricing. And after years of development, I distilled all this knowledge and experience into a comprehensive mathematical system that monitors all major markets, analyzes the current trends, and identifies the highest probability entry and exit points for new trades. All the grueling development work has paid off handsomely, and I am now enjoying a very high successful rate. Now I have the pleasure of seeing my accounts grow reliably week after week. Now I want you to imagine you too being able to reliably create a stream of large profits, building a portfolio that generates supersized return, even if you start with a small account, enjoying the peace of mind of true diversification and total risk control. The result being you doing what you want when you want. And here's how. Again, this is Paul De Caro with Outrageous Profits, the real-time market analysis service that empowers the individual investor like you and me with the knowledge and the tools of the top Wall Street professionals. Now you too can exactly know what the expected market direction is and open new trades based on mathematically derived high probability trigger points. No emotions here. You can benefit from true diversification and sensible capital allocation and confidently manage risk. You can avoid painful losses and see your account grow reliably, week after week. If you are interested, click the link on this video or in the description below. You will immediately receive a totally risk-free subscription to Outrageous Profits, the unique real-time market analysis service that empowers individual investors like you and me with the knowledge and time-tested techniques of the top pros. We take all the complicated stuff that's necessary and make it simple to understand and implement, so it takes a ridiculously small amount of time and effort on your part to take action and profit. Don't wait, do this right now. Click the link on this ad or in the description below and enter your primary email address. Then click the button that says Get Free Access. Click that link right now. Thank you, and I'll see you on the very next page.